Global Ethics Corner from the Carnegie Council.
America is home to one of the largest manufacturing industries in the world. For all its glory, the demise of American manufacturing had long been considered inevitable. That is, until recently. In his third State of the Union address, President Obama laid out an ambitious vision for a stronger America in which manufacturing loomed large. Though details of the president's proposal have sparked controversy, his calls for a manufacturing revival have not. In an era of staunch partisanship, support for U.S. manufacturing enjoys a rare bipartisan consensus. But should it? Is the rebirth of America's manufacturing industry necessarily a good thing? Not everyone agrees. According to some economists, Americans should invent and innovate rather than work on assembly lines. Others point to the positive impact manufacturing jobs have had in developing countries. By moving their factories to China, U.S. firms like Apple have helped lift hundreds of millions of individuals out of abject poverty. Bringing these jobs back home risks stifling such progress. What's more, many believe it may be impossible to bring many of these jobs back. They argue that the U.S. cannot compete with the low wages, willing workers, and efficient supply chains overseas. Still, the U.S. has lost nearly 8 million factory jobs since the 1970s. Economists once predicted that other sectors would pull up the slack. They were wrong. While low-wage service sector jobs have grown, middle-class jobs, like those in manufacturing, have not. For millions of Americans, it's now harder to enter or stay in the middle class. Where do you stand? Can and should U.S. manufacturing make a comeback? Marlene Sperry wrote this week's Global Ethics Corner. I'm Gusta Johnson of Carnegie Council.
Made possible by the Carnegie Council for Ethics in International Affairs. Post a comment at www.carnegiecouncil.org.